Winterizing your truck scale. 6 tips for a safer, more accurate winter. As winter approaches, it's important to ensure your truck scale is ready to handle cold weather, snow, and ice. Like any other essential equipment, proper preparation and maintenance are key to keeping your scale running accurately and safely throughout the season. Here are some practical steps to winterize your truck scale. Number 1. Visually inspect the scale. Before winter hits, check your scale for any exposed steel and touch up the paint to protect it from rust and corrosion. Inspect wiring for loose or exposed connections and ensure all junction and summing boxes are tightly closed to prevent water damage. Secure cover plates and replace any missing or damaged hardware to keep your scale in optimal condition. Number 2. Clean the scale foundation. Remove dirt and debris from the foundation, especially around the end walls and load cells. Snow and ice tend to accumulate near the end of the scale where it falls off truck tires. Starting with a clean foundation ensures enough clearance under the scale to prevent binding, which can lead to inaccurate readings. Consider installing rubber T-strip to prevent snow and ice from filling the gap between the approach wall and the scale. Number 3. Avoid using ice melt. No matter the material, concrete or steel, ice melt products can be damaging. Even those labeled as salt-free or chloride-free can corrode your scale, shortening its lifespan. Protect your investment by avoiding these products altogether. Number 4. Remove snow and ice safely. Heavy equipment like plow trucks can damage your scale's cover plates, load cells, and stands. Instead, use a snowblower or sweeper for safe snow removal. For heavy snowfalls, mark the scale's edges with poles or reflectors to avoid covering the sight rail. To prevent snowdrifts caused by wind, consider using a snow fence or jersey barrier, leaving enough space for easy snow removal with a shovel or blower. Number 5. Utilize the zero tracking feature. Many scale indicators include a zero tracking feature to automatically account for snow accumulation. After the snow is cleared, the scale may show a negative weight. This is normal. Simply reset the scale to 0 before use. Number 6. Enhance driver safety. Winter conditions can make truck scales slippery, increasing the risk for drivers exiting their trucks. Adding catwalks with stairs and safety rails can improve safety, while a kiosk with an intercom system allows drivers to remain in their vehicles during scale operations. By following these tips, you can protect your truck scale from winter's harsh conditions and ensure it continues to perform accurately and safely. A little preparation now can go a long way in preventing costly repairs and downtime later.